guys, you want to make this, wait a minute. You want to do this electric punch? Just wait. I will teach you how to get this electric punch. First, get what you want. Look, it can, and you need to color so you can see how it will work. Look, I can do this. I can make it electric without any electric. See this? See? I electric him. This is how to make it. Wait. I will do it again so you can see it. See? I electric him and his head has been burned. If she's already half a body, it will be not electrocuted. And this is how to make it. Wait. How to make it? Need get a melon and then get electric button and then let it do like this and then equip it and then resize it and then make it into the small piece and then pause it and then put it in her arm. Wait a minute.
Mukhang hindi na maganda ang patakaran ng dating may-ari ng sakahan. Kinausap ko naman ang ninong ko tungkol sa bagay na yun ang tawagan ko siya.
And then put it in that direction right here.
Wala namang masama
like
kung
this.
maniniwala ka muna sa sinasabi ng mga taong yan. Kung tutuusin,
Need to
maliit naman
make it
talaga ang
like
10% para sa ilang buwan nilang pag-aasikaso ng palayan. Mas
And
nararamdaman
then,
pa nga nila yung hirap
the
kaysa sa may-ari
strong
eh. Kasi sila yung nabababad sa araw. Pero,
Let's see
mas
about it.
maganda pa rin aralin mo muna na maigi
it
yung
won't
kalakaran
work.
dyan.
It
Kaya,
has
tignan muna
the
natin sa
strong tape.
unang pag-ani kung
Let's
ano
see.
yung magiging
Let's see
resulta.
again.
Pagkatapos nun, saka tayo magbibigay ng pabor sa mga
Oh,
taong yan.
I can't move it because the electric
Maraming
tape.
salamat po.
Oh, I deleted the electric tape. Oh, it's still tape. Oh, sorry. And then you can see it.
Baka kasi malayo dyan sa
It
Sabay.
can electric
Malaking problema
everyone.
kapag walang tubig.
Look.
Sana nga, umulan
Wait.
na dyan. Umulan naman po dito, Ninong. Gabi nga po,
I can-
umulan eh.
I can touch the right hand. Please. Yes. See? It's electric. Oh, sorry. I forgot anything. I forgot something. I forgot. Again.
Kasi lawak lang sa akin.
You can get what you want. And this. And resize it again. I forgot something.
Kakain na po, oh. Ihanda ko
Okay.
yung
And
pagkakalian.
then resize.
Oo,
And
sige.
then do
Para
that.
makakain
And
na rin tayo.
then
Sabay po
more.
tayo ulit, sir?
And then
Kaya ka na naman, Gina.
pause.
Kailangan mo pa
Just
itanong yan?
make her hand fly and then
Sige po,
pause
sir.
it.
Sabay na lang tayo.
Wait a minute.
Ihanda ko na lang po yung pagkain, ha?
And then pause and then put it in her hand.
Isang
Like
malalim na buntong hininga na lang ang pinakawalan ko.
this. Oh,
Hindi ko na
sorry.
masyadong pinagtuunan ng pansin ang ugali ni Jane. Basta nagagawa naman niya ang obligasyon niya sa bahay, ayos na yun para sa akin.
Perfect.
Simpleng salita lang ang kailangan
And then,
kong ibigay sa kanya.
We need to go to injections.
Kailangan ko lang
Oh,
sigurong
oh,
magtyaga
not
sa
there.
pagsagot sa
Not
maliliit
there.
niyang tanong.
Not there.
At habang kumakain ka
Yes, here.
bigla siya
And
may naalala.
go get immortality. And electric protection.
Sir Vic, kanina nga po pala,
And
bibigay na sa akin pumunta daw sa
it's
bahay
done.
niya. Kasi meron daw po siya ibibigay sa akin eh.
And you can see it.
Papayag po ba kayo, sir?
The pumpkin will not explode.
Ano
Look.
yung ibibigay sa'yo?
Try it.
Sino ba yun?
The pumpkin will not explode. The pumpkin will not explode. See?
Wala yung lain.
And she electric someone. Bye.
Eh, di ba, sir Vic, paborito mo yung gulay?